crucial for a variety of reasons that span physical, mental, and emotional health. This dancing workout has a lot of benefits. Let's start with physical health benefits. This exercise strengthens the heart and improves circulation, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. It helps to maintain a healthy weight by burning calories and increasing metabolism as well. And this exercise helps to improve muscle strength, bone density, and flexibility, reducing this risk of osteoporosis and enhancing physical performance. Regular physical activity lowers the risk of developing chronic conditions such as type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and high blood pressures. Not only this dancing workout helps in mental health as well. Stress and anxiety reduction is the main. This exercise promotes the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and reduce stress hormones like cortisol. It also improves your mood. It can alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety and enhance overall emotional well-being. Regular exercising helps to improve brain health, enhancing memory, attention, and processing speed. It may also reduce the risk of cognitive decline with age. There are also emotional and social benefits of this dancing workout. It helps to boost self-esteem. Achieving fitness goals and improving physical appearance can lead to higher self-confidence and self-esteem. Group workouts or sport activities of this dancing workout helps to provide opportunities for social interaction and can improve social skills and relationships. Regular physical activity helps build emotional resilience, making it easier to cope with stress and adversity. It helps to enhance quality of life with better sleep. Regular exercise can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. It increases energy level as well. Physical activity boosts energy levels by improving cardiovascular efficiency and muscular strength. This workout is associated with a longer lifespan and a higher quality of life in older age. This also helps in disease management, such as a chronic condition of the management. For those with chronic conditions like arthritis or heart disease, regular exercising can help manage symptoms and improve overall health. It also affects on your immune system, making it supportive. Regular moderate exercise can strengthen the immune system, making it more efficient in fighting infections. So, incorporating with this exercise into your routine is a cornerstone of maintaining good health and well-being, impacting various aspects of life positivity. Happy dancing! Do not forget to share us your experience in comment section. We will love to hear it.